take away $1, Elijah also must take away $1. Then we still have the same amount of money. Okay? So if I want to minus half x to make this disappear, I must do the same thing on the left. This is why it looks like this half x cross over the equal sign to become minus half x. Okay? By the same understanding, I want all the numbers to be on the right, so I don't want 4 here. I want only x on the left. Because finally, I want to tell people x is what number. So all the number must be here. Okay? So I don't want the 4 to be on the left. I want the 4 to go away. I need to subtract 4 away. 4 minus 4 becomes 0. But because I want to subtract my 4 on the left, I must do the same thing on the right. So that equation still valid. Left still same as the right. So logical thinking, all this. Once you have this logical thinking, I do the same thing, I do the same thing. Then something that is very complicated, like this, can step by step become very simple. Okay? Then I never move my negative half. I never touch it at all. So my negative half is still on the right. But I minus 4. So this 4 come over here. It looks like this 4 come over here like that to become minus 4. Then I managed to put all the x on one side, all the numbers on the other side already. Until this step. Can? Okay. Then I need to, there are 2 terms. No difference from 3x minus 1x. I combine them into one term. It's just that now it is in fraction. So when I'm combining fraction, it is a bit more tedious, which is what we did in the previous worksheet. So 3 over 5 times x is the same as 3x over 5. Then minus half x is also x over 2. Then I have fraction minus fraction. I need to make common denominator. Times 5 times 5 times 2 times 2. Okay? Then it will become 6x over 10 minus 5x over 10. Okay? My left hand side never change. I just write them differently. 3 over 5x is the same as 6 over 10x. Half x is the same as 5 over 10x. Minus is still minus. So I write them differently because I want to combine them together. Minus half minus another 4. You can use calculator. Then your calculator will tell you it is negative 9 over 2. Or if you want to do it manually also can. Minus half minus 4 over 1 times 2 times 2. So minus 1 over 2 minus 8 over 2. So equals to minus 1 minus 8 over 2 equals to minus 9 over 2. You can also go slowly go and add it together. But you press calculator, your calculator can tell you minus half minus 4 is minus 9 over 2. Then common denominator put together. Simplify a bit, simplify a bit. Then now we are very close to our answer already. X over 10. But my answer is X. So from X over 10 to become X, I multiply 10 to both sides. So that my 10 cancel with 10, I can become 1x. Then I do want to multiply 10, I must multiply 10 also. Huh? Where? Why 9? Why multiply 10? Now my left hand side is x over 10, right? But my answer is only 1x. I want to know 1x is how much. I don't want to stop there. X divided by 10 is this one. I want to know what is 1x. Okay? The same example, like let's say half x is equals to 5. How much is 1x? Half x is 5. 1x is 10, because half of x is 5. Then the whole x is 2 times 5. When x divided by 2, it is equals to 5. So when x not divided by 2, how much is x? When x is divided by 2, you will get 5. So you are trying to find out what is x. Not x times 2. Okay, when x over 2 equals to 5, you want to know what is x. Then if I go by trial and error or guess and check, I put x equals to 2. When x equals to 2, 2 divided by 2 is 1. So x is not 2. If x equals to 4, 4 divided by 2 is 2. Still not equals to 5. So it is also wrong. Okay, so x, when x equals to 10, 10 divided by 2 are 5. Same. So x must be equals to 10. Guess and check. I want to know what is x. So if I guess, x is 1. But 1 divided by 2 is half. Half is not equals to 5. So x is not equals to 1. Then I guess, x is 2. But 2 divided by 2 is 1. Also not equals to 5. So 2 is also wrong. I guess until x. When I try, x is 10. 10 divided by 2 is 5. Then 5, correct already. Means my x must be equals to 10. But instead of guessing every time, I just multiply 2 on both sides. Then I know already x is 2 times of 5, 10. So I don't want to always be guessing. I want to have this systematic step. I just multiply this 10 across, I get my x already. I just multiply 10 to both sides. Then I can get the answer. Yeah. Go lah. Will you become very pay attention in class after you see doctor? Ask doctor to give you some medicine. Take drugs. Yeah? Okay? Okay. Then let us look at K together. Bye-bye. Same, I am solving for X. So whatever I do, definitely my last step is telling people what is X. So X is what? This is my answer. Because they are asking me what is X, so I must tell them X is what? Okay? So my job is to, from like that, my X all over the place, my number all over the place, I do logically one step at a time, until all my X is on the left, all the number is on the right. Okay? But now my X is inside bracket. I cannot move them individually, so I have to do my expansion first. So that is why I have to expand. Half times X. Okay, we don't write an equal here. In one line, we only write one equal sign. So half times X is half X. Half times 1 is half. I never do anything to any side. I am just rewriting this as this. Same on the right. I just do my expansion only. I just writing this as this simplified form. Okay? Then next one, I want to change something already. I don't want this 2x over 3 to be on the right. If I don't want it to be on the right, I need to subtract it away. When I subtract it away, it will subtract here also. It looks like it crossed the equal sign, plus become minus. Because I subtract it away, so it disappears from the right. I no longer have 2x over 3 on the right already. Because I subtract it away. Amira, following so far? After I do expansion I never change any of the left, any of the right. I'm just writing it differently. After I expand, half times x, half x. Half times 1, half. Okay? So I never change the number, I just make them look different. Same as here. 1/3 times 2x is 2x over 3. 1/3 times -1 is -1/3. So I never do anything, I never change the term, I never do anything individually. But the next step, I want all my x to be on the left, I want all the number to be on the right. So I don't want this 2x over 3 over here. To make it disappear, I need to minus away. On the right, I minus it away, then it will disappear. So on the right, it's no longer there. But when I minus something on the right, I am writing equation. I want the left and the right still be the same. So when I minus, I must also minus. Then I managed to put all the x on the left already. Then this half is a number. I don't want number to be on the left. I want all the numbers to be on the right. So I don't want this half over here. I don't want this positive half, I also need to minus half. When I minus half from the left, it will disappear. But I want to minus something from the left, I must also minus something from the right. So that left, right, still the same. Equal they are still the same. I cannot take away half, here don't take away half. I take away half, here I must also take away half, minus half. Then they will still be the same. Then I have managed to put all my x on one side, all the numbers on the other side. Then I am one step closer to my answer. X is what number? Okay? Then from two terms, I want to combine them together. I write half x as x over 2. Then this one same. Press calculator. Minus 1/3 minus another half. Negative 2/3. Sorry, negative 5 over 6. Okay, press calculator. Okay? This one too bad. We have to use our own skills. Make common denominator. Then 3x over 6 minus 4x over 6. Put them in one denominator, 3x minus 4x. Negative x over 6 equals to negative 5 over 6. I can continue. Multiply 6. Multiply a negative. But I am solving equation. There is another more easy way. When I look at these two, do I know what is x or not? Just by looking like that. Alright, what is x? Just by looking like that. 6 is wrong. 5 is correct. Because when I look like that, they are the same. Equal, they are the same one. Negative same as negative. Divide by 6 same as divide by 6. Means this, whatever is here, is the same as whatever is here. Okay? So just by looking, you know already x must be equals to 5. Okay? But if you don't like to just see like that and know your answer, then you can go on. How do I make like that become x? I want a positive 1x. So to make this disappear, to make the no longer denominator there, I need to multiply by negative 6. So that negative times negative become positive. 6 and 6 cancel, become 1. Then I must do the same thing on the right. Then once I simplify them, x equals to negative 5 times negative 6 over positive 6. X equals to 5. Okay? Remember, all these equations that we write are like clues like that. So when I write this clue, then by comparison actually can tell already ma. Same. Means this must be the same as this. How, Nabila? New hairstyle? Help you concentrate better? Okay, we do L together, or you all want to try on your own? Negative 1/3 minus another half. Press calculator lor. Calculator wrong or I wrong? minus 1/3 minus half. Minus 1/3 minus half. How impressed?
Okay.
Then?
Minus.
Uh-huh.
Okay, thank you.
Just now why what?
I think I put half first. Right. Then it became 0.067.
How? You all need some time to try L. Try to go through the exact steps. Or you're all done already, L. Okay, come, hey, take the next 5 minutes, try part L. Nazif, try now. Got question, ask. Not enough to understand, not enough to think you know. You must try. Elijah, still talking. Okay, my first step, same as my previous questions. I want to put all the x on one side. That is my objective. But now my x is inside the bracket, so I cannot move x separately. So I must do my expansion first. This one also the same one, standard. So I must do my expansion. Then I will have 5x over 8. I will have 7 over 8. Then this side I will have 8x over 9. I will have 12 over 9. Follow so far? Okay. Then I can do some cancellation. Both can divide by 3. Okay. Then the next step. Next step is when I want to put all the terms with x on one side. Okay? So my 5x over 8 is on my left already. So very good. I don't change it. I keep it here. But I have a 8x over 9 on the right. I don't want it to be on the right. Right now, it's at the front. So by default, at the front is a positive. I don't want it to be on the right. I want it to come over the left. So I want to minus it away from the right. As I minus it away from the right, it will appear on the left as minus. Because I minus it from the right. Then if I want to minus it, I need to minus the same thing on both sides. So that left and right still equal. Okay? Then my minus 4 over 3, I never touch it. So it is still negative 4 over 3. My minus 4 over 3, I never change it. But this term without x, I don't want it on the left. I want it to go to the right. So 7 over 8, I want to minus it away from the left. That's why it appears on the right. Minus away. Right now on the left there are two terms. One term with x, one term without x. On the right also one term with x, one term without x. I want all the terms with x to be on one side. I want all the terms without x to be on the other side. So it's the same one. This term got x, I want it to go to the left. So I need to minus it away from the right. I minus it away from the right, so I minus it also. Then it become on the left. 7 over 8, I don't want it to be on the left, so I want to minus it away. I minus it away, so it appears on the right, minus. Okay? Then I need to simplify. Make common denominator. Here also same. Make common denominator. Okay. Then here need to take note of this minus sign. Remember I tell you all before, your minus sign can give to the top, can give to the bottom, can be at the side. So in this case, I want the bottom to be the same. I want it to be the exact same number. So my minus, I put it to the top. Later you see, I will put it to the top. So I will have 45x over 72 minus 64x over 72. Then I will have my minus with my 4 times 8. So minus 32. Over 24. Then minus. Okay, this one right hand side one also same. You can press calculator. Just that I don't like to press calculator, so I do myself. Okay, then combine them together. Two fractions having the same denominator, I can put them together. (45x minus 64x). If I want to use my calculator, at this step, I can just divide . Then press calculator, I will get my answer. Why?
Let me copy.
Okay.
Wait, I can so you just put all x on the right side. So my calculation is okay. So you put all the x on the right.
No break already lah. Okay. See if 2x equals to 16, I want to find out x, I will divide 16 by 2. If 3x equals to 64, I want to find out x, I will divide by 3. So, I want to go from negative 21 over 72x to become x. Also same, I just divide both sides by this number. Whatever number that come in front of x, I divide, I will get the answer. I must divide this by whatever that is in front of x. It's the same idea. Whatever is in front of x, I want it to become x, I divide. Don't care one. Okay? Even if half x equals to 4, I want x, I also 4 divided by half. Whatever number of x, I just divide. Then I can get the answer already. So this one I can use calculator. Wei Kian, I talk, you talk, of course you don't understand. The easiest logic, you must understand this logic that when I talk, you will not understand. Huh? Go, go, go. Okay, question 2. Hey, these are Elijah. Hey, all these questions, I think they are not easy. All your question 1, question 2, they are not easy. But you must try. You try, then you know what is the difficulty. Okay? You must first see x as x over 1. Then after that, common denominator. Okay? Then you will be able to continue. Common denominator already. I am adding fraction. Adding fraction means common denominator, put my denominator together. X is not 3. X is 24. Okay? One way, I write my x outside, then after that, I divide. Whatever x is, I divide. Then I will become 1x. 9 over 8 divided by 9 over 8 sure become 1. Then 27 divided by 9 over 8, I can press calculator. Another way to do this, instead of dividing by 9 over 8, my aim is to become 1x. So the other way to become 1x is, I multiply 8 over 9. Then 8 and 8 cancel, become 1. 9 and 9 cancel, become 1. I can also get to 1x. Okay? Then I need to multiply 8 over 9 to the other side. Then I will get the same answer. So our reason why we do each step is because I want to finally have x equals to what? I must keep that in mind. Then I will be able to figure out the in-between. Okay? Definitely I want x, 1x only to be on one side, and put all the other things on the other side. Okay? Okay, I do one more. Then you all do the rest. I do first, then you all. Okay. Subtraction or fraction. Common denominator. Okay? Then next step, I don't want 5x over 36, I want 1x. To get 1x, I need to divide by 5, I need to multiply 36. Yes. Okay? Okay, try B, C. You don't need to understand everything, but you just need to know each step. What is the working? Okay, break, then come back do. Two questions, do by 120. Okay, for part B, you want to make common denominator so that you can put your x terms together. So 5x is the same as 5x over 1. Meaning, if I want to add my two x terms together, I want to make common denominator. I will have 15x over 3 minus x over 3 equals to 42. Common denominator, put them together, numerator minus numerator. No difference from your primary school math. Fraction minus a fraction. Then I will have 14x over 3 equals to 42. Getting to this step is not so difficult. Then what is my final step? What is it that I want on the left? I want 1x. To have 1x, I need to cancel away the 14, cancel away the 3. It is because of the left. It is because on the left I want to make 1x. That's why I decided to multiply 3 over 14. So that it can cancel, it can cancel. And it's because I want to multiply that I have to multiply the same thing to the right. Then I can press calculator. 42 times 3 divided by 14. Calculator will tell you it is 9. There is a sequence to why we do some of the steps. Arik, there is a sequence to why we do some of the steps. That's why you have to listen when I am explaining. Or else your number won't come from the sky. You need to know where the numbers come from. So you copy no use, you must listen. C, common denominator. Hey, try on your own and compare. Don't just look and copy. Seven and 7/9 also can, but no need. Okay, when I get to 9x over 14 equals to 5, I know that finally I want 1x. If I want 1x, means I don't want this 9. 9 is in the numerator, how can I make it disappear? I multiply a denominator 9. I want the 14 to disappear, so I multiply a numerator 14. So the effect of me multiplying this is to cancel to make my left hand side 1x. Then because I multiply this, that's why I multiply the same thing. Arik, no use, just copy. Try, do on your own, then compare. Where are you getting wrong? We get, try. How, Nabila, able to do? Almir, where are you? Nazif, did you get the same? Okay, all done. Naura, okay? Okay, I want to go on to part E. I want to go on to part E. Everyone done with part C? I want to go on to part E. I want to go on to part E. I want to go on to part E. Nazif, sit here. Here. You will sit here for the entire month of February. I think when you choose to die, I have to let you die. I will call your mother. Tell her that you choose to not listen, you choose to keep talking. Okay, any else want to move your seat? Can I start part E? Okay. We have an equation. We want to solve equation. So same one. End of the day, my last line will be x equals to number. I just finding out what is this number. I know that my left hand side should be 1x. So right now, I have this fraction equals to 3. Remember, when we have fraction, what is the first thing I tell you? We have more than one term in the numerator. Instead of just one term, I have 4x, I have minus 1. Elijah, what is the first thing to do? Bracket. I must bracket my numerator together. Remind myself they belong together. I cannot deal with them separately. Okay? So in this case, my x is inside the bracket. I cannot do anything to remove the minus 1 first. So the next step I need to do is to make my left hand side no longer a fraction. How can I make this no longer a fraction? If I focus on my left, can I multiply something to make it not a fraction? How can I make the 9 disappear? I want to multiply something to make the 9 disappear. What can I multiply? Huh? 4x. If I multiply 4x, it is just numerator, then later my 4x need to multiply the entire bracket. I want 9 to disappear. Okay, when I want the 14 to disappear, I multiply 14 so that it can cancel. So the idea here is the same. I don't want the 9. I don't want there to be a fraction. So I need to multiply a 9. What will be the effect of multiplying 9? My 9 will cancel with the 9. Then I no longer have a fraction. Okay? But because this is an equation, if I want to multiply 9, I must also multiply 9. Then, my left hand side, 9 and 9 cancel, disappear already. I am left with my 4x minus 1. The other side, I have 3 times 9. Now, outside this bracket, it is no longer a numerator. I no longer multiply or add anything, so I can just open up the bracket already. 3 times 9, 27. We are closer and closer to having x on one side, number on the other side. I keep my 4x, then I don't want my negative 1. So if I don't want the negative 1, I want it to go opposite side. I need to add 1. Because minus 1 plus 1 will disappear, become 0. Okay? So it also looks like my negative 1 cross the equal sign to become plus 1. If I ignore the blue color, it looks like my minus 1, when it comes over this side, minus 1 becomes plus 1. Okay? If you don't understand why, at least you know minus 1 come over here become plus 1. Then you can practice doing your questions. Four times of x is 28. But what I want is 1x. So from 4x, how to become 1x? Divide by 4. Okay, so it also looks like 4 times x. Multiplication of 4, cross equal sign, multiplication become division. 4x times 4. Come over this side, times 4 become divide by 4. Okay, but why it divide by 4 is because here I also need to divide by 4. Then my 4 will disappear. Become 1. Then I will get to my answer. X is 7. So because I get to this line, logically, through writing all these equations, so if I go backward, now I go and put in my x equals to 7. I double check. Left hand side is 4x minus 1 over 9. So if I put in x equals to 7, 4 times 7 minus 1. My left hand side is equals to 27 divided by 9 equals to 3. Then my left hand side is also equals to 3. Okay, so whatever the x that I found here, it can balance the initial equation. I put in the x, it will balance. Okay, so if given this, I cannot see what is the x to balance. But when I continue to write equation, I can finally see x equals to 7 to balance the equation. Okay? Part F. Bracket first. Okay? Then it must come to my mind. The front fraction got x inside. This number 4 don't have any x. So I can bring it to the other side first. And when it cross the equal sign, minus 4 come here become positive 4. Then am I able to continue? I make the left hand side no longer a fraction. How I make it not a fraction? Yes. No longer fraction. Four times 6, 24. I only want the x, I don't want the number. Number throw the other side. Plus 2, go the other side will become minus 2. So when you know the steps, algebra end of the day, plus 2 minus 2, 24 minus 2, difficult meh? When you know the steps, algebra is the easiest topic already. Plus, minus, multiply, divide. Boleh? Boleh? Boleh tak? Almir just hungry only lah. Pie, pie, pie. Okay, did y'all bring your textbook? The workbook questions difficult, so I want you all to practice a few more. Okay, if you don't have your textbook, you can look at my screen. If you have your textbook, try this question. Page 11, 5A. Page 11 on your textbook, 5A. I start with this fraction. So, I put a bracket first. Then I must be thinking, I don't want a fraction. If I don't want a fraction, I need to multiply the denominator so that it can cancel away the denominator. Then because I multiply this, I need to multiply the same thing. Then once I multiply, 3 and 3 will cancel, become 1. So my left hand side will become left with 5x plus 1 divided by 1. No longer have a fraction. Then my right hand side, 7 times 3, 21. Okay? In one step, once I multiply the 3, it looks like a lot easier to solve already, right? Then, my final answer is x. So I must first remove my plus 1. My plus 1 go the other side, become minus 1. 5x equals to 20. X equals to 20 divided by 5. X equals to 4. Can everyone got x equals to 4? Ari, are you able to get x equals to 4? Yes, x equals to 4. Okay, then with the time left, I want to talk about this part B. I have fractions. So my very first step, I will add my bracket. Hello. Pay attention, part B important. They are fractions. So numerator got 2 terms, I put bracket. If I just look at my left, I don't want fraction, what will I do? Times 4, very good. Correct. I want to times 4. Okay? But if I only look at the right, what do I have to do to make it not fraction? Times 3. Okay? So if I times 4 at the left, I also must times 4 at the right. If I times 3 at the right, I also must times 3 at the left. Okay? So the idea is the same one. I want to make it not a fraction anymore. So because of this, I multiply 4, I multiply 3. I multiply 3, I multiply 4. Then the cancellation. 3 and 3 cancel. 4 and 4 cancel. I will be left with 3 multiply the entire numerator. I'll be left with 4. Multiply the entire numerator. Then I no longer have fraction. I no longer have fraction. I do my expansion. I do my expansion. Then, are you able to solve this? Put all the x on one side, put all the numbers on the other side. 6x minus 4x minus 12 plus 9. So 2x equals to negative 3. X equals to negative 3 over 2. Okay? Okay, go back, try to look at this example. Next lesson, then we continue with this kind of equation. Okay?